Hey friends, welcome to a very quick, very special video for the channel. Many of you, if you have been subscribing, watching the videos, have noticed there's a little bit of a change happening with the channel, as well as a new logo and a new name. The new name is Scott's Garage. Scott is my name. And basically I decided to do this because I have added a new special toy to the car inventory that we own. So I used to have a 2003 Toyota 4Runner. We were able to sell that to my brother-in-law, and I recently picked up a 2013 Nissan Titan. Now the Titan is a big, large truck that we've been wanting for a while. We were looking for a Tundra to stay within the Toyota family, and because of the smoking good deal, decided to go with a Nissan Titan. So this is the first Nissan I've owned. I'm kind of excited to get into some repairs and some fixes, to see how it drives compared to the Toyota family of vehicles that we're used to. Now, for those of you who have subscribed because it was a 4Runner channel, don't worry, we still have plenty more videos coming your way. My wife still has her 1997 Toyota 4Runner, and because I sold my 4Runner to my brother-in-law, I'll still be working on that truck quite a bit as well. But all of you, you folks out there who have been looking for other types of truck videos, we're now going to be adding the Titan to our inventory. And yeah, I'm hoping to do a couple of really fun video tutorials actually really soon coming up on that truck. We also may be throwing in some bike maintenance vehicles, as I'm an avid mountain biker. Another reason to have a really cool truck to get to trails and to load and haul trucks or bikes and things like that. So stay tuned, we may throw a few bike videos in there as well. But anyway, yeah, thanks a ton for sticking here. Just want to say thank you so much for my viewers, to my subscribers. We're at over 2,500 subscribers now, which is huge at the time of this video. Really hope these videos have been encouraging you guys and blessing you. Really, it's why I want to make these is to help out folks just like I've been helped out by channels just like this. So stay tuned. We got a lot more videos. This is your first time watching the channel, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, we'll have a bunch of tips, tricks, tutorial videos, all of that. It's going to come up real soon. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you again.